Hi, hello again. This is Madam Pau. Let's continue our lecture session with plant adaptation in tropical rainforest, specifically in Malaysia. The first element for plant adaptation is by referring to the bark of particular tree. Bark ini adalah outermost layer of the tree lah. So it may come with two different type of condition. It's either they are thick or thin. So basically, most pokok dia ada bark yang thick. Okay, it is for the sake of preventing ataupun reducing the water loss via evaporation. But since moisture is very ataupun abundant in the rainforest, so usually pokok yang ada di dalam hutan itu adalah pokok yang bark dia smooth and thin. Kenapa? Sebab ini untuk making other plants like vines ataupun epiphytes difficult to grow on the body of the tree lah, right? Next, lianas. Lianas ni kebiasaannya dia tumbuh di bahagian bawah hutan lah, di permukaan. Okay, dia thick woody stem which come in various length. Dia ada pelbagai panjang, ada pelbagai bentuk, tak tentu. And usually, in order for them to maximize the receive of sunlight, so they will use other trees to climb up into the rainforest canopy. Next, strip tips or pointed tips at the end of every leaf is to enable extra rainwater ataupun air embun to run off easily supaya dapat prevent the growth of alga on top of the leaf. So, sebab kenapa? Logically, kalau ada alga, dia akan block the penetration of sunlight and eventually they will reduce or even stop the plant's ability to doing their photosynthesize things. Next, buttresses. This is the specialty for growth very tall tree yang huge, yang up to 30 meters and above kan. So these buttresses ataupun massive roots will form to give the trees extra stability in terutamanya dekat shallow soils. Epiphytes, the one I mentioned in my previous two slide. Okay, epiphytes ni kalau dia dengan with other plants, they are competing each other lah. Okay, sebab begitulah adaptation of epiphytes, dia akan menumpang ataupun menyangkut live on the surface of other plants, especially dekat bahagian trunk and branches. Kenapa dia menumpang-numpang? Sebab itulah cara dia untuk dia mengambil advantage of the sunlight in the canopy. So, contoh dia orchids, ferns. Next, still roots. Okay, these still roots providing tall rainforest trees with support as they anchored in the shallow rainforest soil. Okay, dan ini memang famous lah mangrove tree. Itu the root are designed so that they can pasti tegak even shallow rainforest soil lah. Moving to pitcher plant ataupun kita kenal sebagai periuk kera, benda ni sangat banyak lah dekat Sarawak especially. Okay, they are actually modified leaf yang forming a pitcher. Dia ada sweet ataupun foul smelling nectar in the pitcher yang boleh attract insect. Okay, terutamanya semut dengan lalat lah. Dan bila ants ataupun lalat itu dia lost their grip on the slick side kan, eventually they will fall into the liquid, digested and provide nutrients. Dan selain daripada insect and flies, pitcher plant juga ada menerima nutrient from tupai montana. Okay, so tupai montana ni basically seolah-olah dia menjadikan pitcher plant ini sebagai dia punya toilet lah. Okay, untuk dia buang dia punya najis. Tapi najis itu digunakan oleh pitcher plant sebab dia ada rich with nitrogen kan. So itu adalah basically give and take lah for them. Last, behavioral adaptation, Rafflesia. Dia ada masa dia bloom jugalah, right? Tapi yang kita kena tahu, dia punya adaptation is they can attract flies and keep away animals. So bila flies get attracted to the smell kan, dia dalam masa yang sama dia membantu jugalah the flower to repollinate. Okay, that's all. Thank you.